Hey, it's Scrappy Peeps. Suzanna here today with a massive Tuesday morning haul for you. This is several hauls. I have not been feeling great and life has been super busy, so things have kind of stacked up, and so this is probably 3 hauls. I will get this out of the way first. This is a Tim Holtz supply spinner, and you can see the locator number there and the price $19.99. It spins and you get to put your goodies on it. I'm probably going to put mists and such on that, and I still have somewhere to figure out for storage, but I am looking forward to using that. I will set this aside and come back to that. My most recent haul is this goodies. These goodies. There is a ton of Jen Hadfield at Tuesday morning right now. I did not get all of the pieces because I have a lot of these, the collections, but I did get what I thought I could use, and I will share that with you. In addition to that, I did also get this 2020 calendar. I love these calendars because they have pockets, and so I can store tickets for events that are coming up, or kids' permission slips, or things like that. So I'm not particularly, I don't really care about all of the decoration. It's more that I like this for the pocket, and then you can rip it off and save it for later. So that was the calendar, and let me pick up the piece of, so that is the product locator number, and $7.99 is the price if you are looking for something like that. So not Scrappy related, but definitely life and organization related. So on to the Jen Hadfield stuff. There was the Ephemera Packs. I did get all 3 of the different Ephemera Packs. I think there actually may have been a 4th. So this is the product locator number for this one, $1.99, and that is the collection there. And that is an older collection from 2016. These 2 are the more recent collections, 2017 and 2018. I did a video with this collection. There's the product locator number there, and it was based on a quilt with a digital cut pattern. I can link you in the line up above if you want to see that. And then this is the most recent collection, and along the way, and that is the product locator number there. Then there are bits and pieces that coordinate with that. So these this is from Patio Party, which I shared earlier, stamps. So there's the product locator number there, and then this is for Along the Way, and that is the product locator number there. There were a ton of other stamp sets. Again, I really only wanted to invest in what I thought I would use. Also from Jen Hadfield, these are letter stickers, $2.49. The interesting thing is with the thickers, I have thickers that are $2.49, $2.99, and $2.19. So I think they're all over the place in the pricing of these things. But I love that wood grain there. And then these are the stickers that go with the Warm and Cozy collection. There's a product locator number there. I love that they're that rose gold foil, and it's kind of neat, that origami pattern. I don't remember seeing this collection, so I'm excited to play with that. These are the chipboard pieces that go with that same collection. Product locator number there for $2.99. And then this is for the Simple Life collection, and that is the product locator number there. So while I didn't get bits and pieces of all of these collections, they're very generic sort of things that you could use with all sorts of mixed collections. All right, let's set that aside. And I also got in that particular haul these from Lickety Slippers from Basil. They are 8x8 page protectors. That's the product locator number there. And you can see that there's a 3-fold, a bifold, single, 4x6, 4x6 bifold. So I was excited to incorporate that into just some regular albums because I believe these rings will fit. Actually, it will only fit an 8x8 album, but I'm hoping I can maybe re-punch the holes and put them in a 12x12 album, because that's the size album that I use. But it may also work for a December daily if I decide to attempt that and fail that potentially for a 3rd time. All right, so these are multiple small hauls that I've hauled over I can't even remember. It's been a crazy, crazy summer. So I will start with this My Mind's Eye stuff, and then I will move on from there. So paper pads and stamp sets and ephemera packs. So this is the Splendor Kit. I absolutely loved this collection when I got it from my kit, and I wish it had more of the ephemera packs, but it didn't, not at my Tuesday morning anyway. So there's the product locator number there. So I'm excited to have that too. I just love those colors. And then this is World Traveler, some brighter colors, kind of more, I'm gonna say boy themed, but it's really travel themed, but would be great for some boy pages. And there's the product locator number for that. They did have the 6x6 paper pad for cityscapes as well. I just didn't feel that I was going to use that. So then from cityscapes, I got the stamp set and the ephemera pack. So there is the product locator number, $2.99. And then that is the mixed bag or ephemera pack. And I love these. I want to build a cityscape with those. And then that is the product locator number there. I did get the ephemera pack here for, and that's all of what's in it for this collection as well. Again, there's some general travel things that I felt I could use, and that is the product locator number there. And then I did not buy anything else from Sweet Shop, but I did really like that this would work for birthdays and other sweet treats, ice cream, National Ice Cream Day, that kind of thing. So, and that is the product locator number there. So that was the My Mind's Eye goodies that I had. Then I think you saw earlier that I had this Dear Lizzy collection. I was able to pick up a few other bits and pieces from that collection, and I believe that's the extent of it there. So the letter stickers for $1.99, I thought that was a great, they had two, and I almost picked up the second one because I like these puffy stickers. And then here's the ephemera pack with gold foil. Those are the goodies on the ephemera pack. And then there is the product locator number for that. And then puffy stickers. I mean, you can never have enough puffy stickers, right? $2.29. And the product locator number there for all of those stickers. What other goodies did I get? This was from clearance. So I forget what the yellow sticker is. I think it's 20% off these Christmas things, but I felt I could use this for more than Christmas. And they're just transparent shapes, and that is the product locator number there. I also am always in the need for number stamps. I don't know, you know, one of the things I love about Ellie's Studio now and the puffy stickers is that they include the numbers. And so when they don't include the numbers, it's nice to have, I don't know why I need them that big, but I felt I did. $6.99, and that's the product locator number there for those stamps from Tim Holtz. What else? Let's see. So Illustrated Faith. I got both sets, color sets. I believe there may have been a yellow as well, but this was from a while ago. That's the product locator number for that one. And then that's the product locator number for that one. Butterflies are pretty generic. I felt I could use those for different things. Let's see. More paper pads. These are Pebbles collections. And then a pink paisley collection. So I got this from Turn the Page. So this is a 6x8 paper pad. I have the 12x12 pieces. I like to fussy cut the flowers and those hexagons. And I have yet to design with much with that collection. So, and for $2.99, you can't go wrong really. And then Girl Squad, this is also from Pebbles. I just loved the coffee cups in this, the ice cream. I figure this will go for multi-purpose. Let me see if I can cut this and show you the paper pad. There we go. So you can see the gold foil there and the flowers, the ice creams, phones, coffee, flowers. I love that stripe there, that diagonal. Do this. Important, happy, be yourself. So some fun girl words. Messy bun, having fun. Kind is the new cool. Music. You can see that gold foil in the lines there. Pretzels. So I thought this would be fun for some Mia layouts. Yeah. What else? So we have this summertime collection. So earlier I showed you, I'm pretty sure I had the Ephemera Pack, and there were the bee puffy stickers, a couple of other things. So this is the 12 by 12 paper pad that accompanies that collection. And let's go through that. So the 4 by 6 cards, and you can see their glitter. I don't know if you can see that in the light there. Phrases, kids swimming, water, and that is got glitter in it too, and the hexagons, the beehive, flowers, bees, they're so cute, polka dots. I love when they do these little squares. You can cut them up and make frames for them, fussy cut them, fun things. And again, these are also got the glitter. Strawberries, a red plaid, flip-flops, mermaids. That also has the glitter there. Lobsters, red polka dots, beach balls, and fish scales or mermaid scales with the glitter, rainbow stripe, florals, ice cream, pink with the tone-on-tone polka dots, daisies, lemons, I love that, the green and white stripes. These kind of remind me of the Dear Lizzy collection. And then we go back to the beginning. So that is that Pebbles collection. And then I also got more chipboard. So these are goodies from Crate Paper. So this is the Wild at Heart collection. There is the product locator number there. And again, fun for summer stuff. And I thought could be more than just used with that collection. And then I love this Here and There collection from Crate Paper. Just for travel. This is the Wild at Heart stamp set. I love these tropical leaves, and I feel like I can use those with a lot of things. There's that product locator number. This is the Vicky Bouton stamp, and that was also on clearance, and so you can see everything that's on that stamp set there. And that is the product locator number for that. And then last but not least, these two thicker sets. I realize Halloween has come and gone, but I have yet to scrapbook this year's Halloween. Well, yes, we have yet to have this year's Halloween. That's the product locator number there. But I do have some fun stuff coming up from Ellie's Studio that I thought maybe I might be able to incorporate that too for my non-design team stuff. And then this also gold letters, that's the product locator number. I love these letters. They're sort of whimsical, a little bit different. So that, my friends, is my latest Tuesday morning hauls, plural, because I kind of incorporated a bunch of them together. I hope you're doing well. Thanks for stopping in today. See you soon. Take care.